The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the 2 stoppers in the glove box. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Unhook the dampener arm. Lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1143 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.